anyhow, so he wanted to have a farm, and so we ultimately begged, borrowed, and stole, and went into partnership with his sister and her husbands. That's how we were able to afford a farm. And on the farm, when you sell off the flock, the laying flock, when it's too old to be commercially viable, you have to sell them off to Campbell Soup or somebody. So you have to have these. You cull out the flock. You cull out and these guys would come and they would collect the culls and take them away to be made into soup. And there were two guys, both of them concentration camp survivors. And their name was, Paul probably remembers their name, I forgot. I knew it a minute ago, but I've forgotten now, I'm getting tired. So, doesn't matter. But they met each other in the concentration camp, and they came to America together. And they went into this business together, two Jews. And they were the nicest guys, and they'd come around, give us a cull, Paul would make a play on words, give us a cull. They'd say, they had very heavy accents. And they were really great guys who had not allowed this horrible, horrible experience. I mean, their whole families were killed in front of them, to embitter them. Just amazing how people can pick themselves up, come to a new country with a new language from that background. I mean, after all, they were going through this when they were adolescents and young men. They were not adults. And it was a horrible, horrible life. And come and make a success out of this very hard work. And remain cheerful and decent. I mean, it was amazing to me. I'm very admiring of that capacity to survive.